What we're looking at here today is a 12-inch Panasonic Total Box Fan, model F1281. I'd say this fan here dates sometime around early to mid-70s possibly. Very cool fan indeed. Definitely one of the coolest features of the fan is the translucent green blades, and even the venturi ring that you see on the inside of the fan is also made of that same translucent green plastic. So it's basically see-through, which is a very cool feature on this fan. Definitely a pretty unique piece indeed. Otherwise all plastic construction, with the exception of the stand. The fan tilts up and down like a normal tiltable box fan. Push button, 3 speeds. Fan uses a PSC motor, quite similar to their oscillators, of course. Even has the Panasonic logo in the middle there on the back. So, very unique fan overall. I've never seen one until I picked this thing up, found it at an antique store. The fan was actually running in the booth when I got it, and when I got this thing, it was very filthy. And took all the plastic pieces and ran it through the dishwasher, and they cleaned up real nice. So, let's go ahead and get it started. Start up on low. This fan is a bit sluggish on low and medium. I would say the capacitor is, drifting quite a bit now. Being well over 40 years old. So, and the amount of use this thing has seen, judging by how much dust that was on this fan, it definitely is in need to be replaced for sure. I'd say the low speed will probably be a bit faster than that, but yeah, that's definitely too slow. Take it to medium. I would say probably a bit slower than this would be the actual low speed for this fan. And here's high. Even though it's a bit sluggish with that capacitor issue, it's still a quite powerful fan. It was a pretty decent breeze for what it is. And does it quietly too, like you would expect. Gonna let it coast. Definitely a very unique fan. So that's all I got for this one. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video on this Panasonic 12-inch tiltable box fan model F1289 from the early to mid 70s. So we'll be seeing you next time.